Hello dear students, here we are discussing the in continuation of the parts, here preparations of amine. Starting from first, preparations of amine starting from first is what from alkyl halide, यहाँ पे हमको प्रिपरेशन करना है अमाइंस का. हाउ अमाइंस आर प्रिपेयर्ड, हाउ अमाइंस आर सिंथेसाइज्ड. The first preparations methods from alkyl halide. Suppose if we are having this what alkyl halide is treated with in general reactions as the starting reactant molecule is what alkyl halide. This alkyl halide is reacted with ammonia. Alkyl halide is react with ammonia. What happens? Your substitution reaction is takes place. Your formation of RNH2. Again what? If you have to again reacted with what? Your reacted with what? Again alkyl halide. So what happen here? In the presence of, we can take this ATOH as a polar protic solvent. Here the substitution types of the reaction is takes place. Formation of primary amine. Here what happen? Formation of primary amine. Here again in continuation it react with this alkyl halide, again formation of here RNH2, this R, your generation of your secondary amines. In continuation of the reaction again is reacted with again alkyl halide. Whatever it is reacted with alkyl halide, then formation of R, this is the R n lone pair of electrons, again what N is alkyl group and this what alkyl group. There is a 3 alkyl group is directly attached to the nitrogen atoms. Here minus HX, here minus HX, hydrogen halide यहाँ पे loss हो जाएगा. So whatever starting reactants, it is a alkyl halide. Starting reactant molecule is what? Alkyl halide. So instead of alkyl halide we can take what? CH3Cl. Methyl chloride is reacted with ammonia. So here the methyl chloride is react with ammonia. The first starting reactant and the first specific reaction, methyl chloride is reacted with the ammonia. So what happen here? Formation of the first step, it is takes place CH3NH2, formation of methyl amine. So in continuation the reaction is takes place, again is reacted with what? Again methyl chloride. यहाँ पे रिएक्ट करना है सेकंड मोल ऑफ दिस मेथिल क्लोराइड, अगेन माइनस HCl, here minus HCl. So what happen here? Formation of this again what? Methyl amine, again is treated with the methyl chloride. Here generation of CH3 taken twice NH. It is formation of secondary amine. Again the reaction is takes place in continuation, again addition about methyl chloride. The final product is here. There is a formation of the final product. This is the trimethyl amine. It is nothing but what? Tertiary amine. So this is one of the substitution types of the reaction. Here formation of the primary amine to the tertiary amine starting from the alkyl halide. It may be, you can take the methyl chloride, methyl bromide or methyl iodide. So this is one of the substitution types of the reaction. Formation of what? Formation of methyl trimethyl amines, trialkyl amine. Formation of what? Trimethyl amine, trialkyl amines starting from alkyl halide by using excess mole of alkyl halide with ammonia. 1 mole of ammonia is reacted with the excess mole of alkyl halide. यहाँ पे हमने 1 मोल अमोनिया लिया, excess mole of alkyl halide को ट्रीट किया. So what happened? There is formation of what? Tertiary amine. Here formation of tertiary amine. Formation of what? Tertiary amine. The second types of the reactions, preparations of amine. यहाँ पे हमारा second types of the reaction है starting from what? Starting from nitroalkane. Starting from what happen? Nitroalkane. यहाँ पे starting reactant हमको लेना है nitroalkane. Nitroalkane. Starting reactant from what? Nitroalkane. If we are having the starting reactant is what? A nitroalkane. This nitroalkane is treated with what? This is what? RNO2. This is the starting reactant molecules. RNO2. RNO2 is reacted with what? Or the starting reactant molecule is what? RNO2. So this is what? A reducing agent, it is reacted with the reducing agents. RNO2 is reacted with RNO2. जनरल रिएक्शन हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे RNO2 is reacted with the SnHCl hydrochloric acid. In presence of ETOH as organic solvent there is formation of RNH2. यहाँ पे हमारा जनरेशन होगा प्राइमरी अमाइन. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ व्हाट? प्राइमरी अमाइन. NO2 का रिडक्शन हुआ. किसने रिडक्शन किया? दिस इज व्हाट SnCl2. as we can use instead of SN, this is what SnCl2 and HCl. These types of the reducing agent is used. For example, the starting reactant molecule is what CH3NO2 nitromethane. Second reaction हम यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. This is what using this what NO2 nitrobenzene. So whatever using the same types of the reducing agent SnCl2 and hydrochloric acid. So here this is the formation of these types of the product is what nitromethane is converted into the methylamine. Again this nitrobenzene is converted into the aniline. नाइट्रोमीथेन का कन्वर्जन मेथिल अमाइन में हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ व्हाट? मेथिल अमाइन. मेथिल अमाइन का दूसरा नाम है अमीनोमीथेन. सो अगेन व्हाट स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टेंट इज नाइट्रोबेंजीन. इट इज रिएक्टेड विद SnCl to HCl hydrochloric acid formation of aniline. This is nothing but primary aromatic amine. So this is what one of the preparation methods of amine starting from nitroalkane by using the reducing agent. By using a reducing agent that is nothing but stannous hydrochloric acid, SnCl to HCl or SnHCl. Such types of the reducing agent is used for the preparation of primary amine. यहाँ पे प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द प्राइमरी अमाइंस प्रिपेयर हुआ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम नाइट्रोअल्केन. नाइट्रोअल्केन का रिएक्शन रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट के साथ रिएक्ट किया. दिस इज नथिंग बट स्टैनस एंड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. जनरेशन ऑफ द प्राइमरी एरोमेटिक अमाइन एज वेल एज एलिफेटिक अमाइन. So the second types, this is our third one types starting from this third types of the reaction. This is what our third starting reactant molecules from alkyl cyanide. Third from alkyl cyanide. यहाँ पे alkyl cyanide से और alkyl nitrile से, as you can see this is alkyl cyanide और alkyl nitrile. नाइट्राइल को साइनाइड, साइनाइड को नाइट्राइल कहते हैं. यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल होना चाहिए अल्किल साइनाइड. सपोज हमारे पास अल्किल साइनाइड है. दिस इज द अल्किल साइनाइड और अल्किल नाइट्राइल. इट इज रिएक्टेड विद व्हाट? सोडियम एंड इथेनॉल, ETOH. This is the reactant molecules. This is the reaction condition starting from alkyl cyanide. यहाँ पे reactant molecule लिया हमने alkyl cyanide. जनरल रिएक्शन की हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे. Alkyl cyanide is reacted with the sodium and ethanol. These types of the reaction, it is preparation of RCH2 NH2. There is again the formation of the primary amine. यहाँ पे जनरेशन होगा हमारा प्राइमरी अमाइन. फर्स्ट और सेकंड रिएक्शन की हम बात करेंगे. CH3 CH2 CN. So the starting reactant molecule is ethyl cyanide. Ethyl cyanide is reacted with what? Sodium and ethanol. यहाँ पे हमको रिएक्शन करना है सोडियम इथेनॉल एज अ रिएक्शन कंडीशन. एथिल साइनाइड यहाँ पे रिएक्टेंट लेना है. सपोज वी आर हैविंग दिस इज द टाइप्स ऑफ द कंपाउंड इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? बेंजीन न्यूक्लियस. This benzene nucleus is reacted with the cyanide. This is what a cyanobenzene. As we can say, this is the benzyl nitrile. Benzyl nitrile or a cyanobenzene is reacted with the sodium and ethanol. Is reacted with the sodium and ethanol, and then generation of CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2. There is a formation of the product. क्या प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन होगा? देखो यहाँ पे दो मेथिल ग्रुप है CH3 और CH2 एज इट इज रहेगा. CN is converted into what? CH2 NH2. This types of the product is nothing but what? N-propyl amine. Product यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन हुआ N-propyl amine, और we can say this is what? 1 amino. यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन हुआ हमारा 1 amino propane. There is a generation of the 1 amino propane or N-propyl amine.